In this video, we're going to learn how to create a complete children's coloring book with just one single click. It might sound impossible, but wait and you'll see it happen right before your eyes. First, we'll enter the Manus website, a platform similar to ChatGPT. All you need to do is sign in using your email, whether it's Gmail or any other provider. Now that we're inside the site, pay close attention. We're going to give it one simple prompt, and it goes like this. I want to create a children's coloring book about animals with simple drawings and clear lines to make coloring easy. Create a book with 50 images. Yes, imagine that's the only command we give to Manus. Now, let it work. You can make yourself a sandwich or grab a cup of coffee while the site works completely on its own with no intervention from us. Here on the right, you can see the images being generated. Of course, I've sped up the video, but in reality, the site may take around 12 to 15 minutes to create the entire book. And honestly, there's no problem creating a brand new coloring book every 15 minutes. Look at the detail of the drawings and the clarity of the lines. If you notice any mistake, you can always edit the specific image after all the images are finished. Just let it run until the very end. Do you realize what it means to create 50 images in less than 15 minutes? This is amazing for anyone selling coloring books on platforms like Amazon and others. Now, to save time, I've already created a coloring book about cars and vehicles. The site gives you a ready-to-download PDF file with just one click. Your coloring book is instantly ready. It may also provide additional files depending on whether you need them or not. Let's take a look at the PDF. It's truly impressive, a complete coloring book in under 15 minutes with just one command. All that's left is to design the cover, format the file, and start selling immediately. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.